As I said that you have been there, done that. What do you think differentiates you from others? Why you able to be so successful in literally all the endeavors which you have taken? You have that Midas touch.
Well, I would clarify what we mean by success or in successful in what. I don't consider myself a great trader. I always make that clear. I write about market wizards. I'm not a market wizard. I make money in the markets, but that's not my main endeavor. It's not my talent. So I think I've been successful because I found something that I was good at. And the time is again, and all of these are dependent upon the individual because some people are comfortable trading very long term, and that works for them. And some people are very impatient and they want to trade short term, and they can do it, but not everybody can do it. It's much more difficult. So it's only if it fits, only the methodology you develop is short term. Does that work? And you have to really define for yourself. It's not. It's like saying what size suit should people get? You know, well, it depends. I mean, some have small sizes, some are larger, some are fatter, some thinner. You can't say which size is right.
What should be an ideal journey for any typical retail trader with a small capital? Should he or she start with options or derivative overall? Or let's start with cash market, warm up, take some time, and then start getting into with a small capital in derivatives?
Yeah, well, options markets are different. So